Meaning of frugal.
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 Frugal. The term frugal refers to someone who is careful with their resources, sparing in their expenses, and avoids waste. Frugality is often associated with saving money, but it can also refer to other resources such as time or materials. Frugal people tend to live within their means, prioritize their spending on necessities, and avoid unnecessary expenses. They may seek out deals or discounts, reuse or repurpose items, and practice efficient use of resources. Overall, frugality involves a mindset of mindful consumption and making the most out of what one has.